the night show for today. Will be the 27th to call 26th. Anything today na Tuesday sha for inside the month of October. My name na Nedu _ Katim no dey. I thought let's say they say Katim go dey out throughout this week. Her tooth is faulty. Her tooth is faulty. So when the carpenter finish with time, then she go reach take resume work. But anyway, we're trying to say we get guests for inside studio today. Two guests is one artist in B, the other one a producer and EB. The artist in name na GODSON. I beg Boka join us with GODSON. You're welcome. And then E Kelly, in fact, the producer of life. This guy can produce even devil himself.
I go run.
No, but forget my brother. I go run. If devil come here and make it produce them, you don't go produce them.
I go run.
You go run.
With Ghana must go.
With Ghana must go.
I go pour blood of Jesus.
See this guy. All these guys, they don't diplomatic. No, you know, say devil of these days, then they buff up where. Devil of these days, if you come in the form of Kim Kardashian, they wear blinks, they turn up. It's the devil they dress like this, where easy be the dress. It's that easy be devil they dress like this. You can't just call your head like Kule Dibele there. Devil these days they in different form. Like Kim Kardashian, you know, Kylie Jenner, you know, all those kind of people. But that Kylie, that family, but that family, and you know, they pay me for that family. Eh? Those family, every man will enter that family, then they wreck. No, not be play.
Me try now, me go try.
My brother, God forbid.
Survive.
You know, so when they talk that they say, somebody with a rape, with a. Hey, how to tell you that story? I give that gist. They rape him. So now when they talk, imagine say Kim Kardashian rape you.
You don't blow.
Now you be proud. Now you be proud because you can be mad. They don't rape you. Kim Kardashian. Or imagine say
they give you AIDS.
They give you AIDS, like something like Oprah give you AIDS, like strawberry AIDS. Now you go there happy, they mad. You don't give you AIDS, you now just come on clean. I give you AIDS. Kim Kardashian, I give you AIDS. Anyway, GODSON, welcome to the night show.
I do my people, Lagos, Nigeria. We don't do.
How is the ministry?
You don't reach permanent center to pack the G-Wagon where now.
Anyway, on top Twitter, my people for Twitter, they totally give all of them. In fact, I love our Twitter audience. And then Stephen and just say, that pastor where they sign that magic pen, now original Boju pastor. Anybody where they buy, he go do them like fame. Oh, yeah, may have from Nanya. That kind of thing. But you know, say you don't get one time. Ma talk one thing will happen. Ma give this just will happen for during by the time we were in school. Not be say, no, I know. Me and my guy, we get one course costing, na calculation thing. Then and calculation and theory. In cause say make me I read, make in go do calculation.
You go read theory. Me
I go read theory. So that I go just sit down. Then when I don't finish calculation, I'll come copy calculation. Then when me I don't finish theory, he go come copy. Now, no be him. Where we sit down for his exam hall. Now rows 1, 2, 3, 4. Not be him. I can't the copy. One girl with the name Adeline. I can never forget that. That girl is a copyist. She can copy for anything.
Xerox.
I'm Xerox. Man, Xerox machine like she be. I think the exam go happen. See, she go carry and the paper which she carry, it always small, straight like this. You come long. Let's see. When she open up again, they go like scroll of the Bible. Blah 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 blah. They go fold and no be Adeline come carry and come fold, come copy my brother. Anybody will say no copy for exam. Get out, I copy. Not Adeline, how far? Adeline, come give me the paper. Now so, and at theory too, she copy. Now so I copy every. Wait now, I can't copy every. Now, it's a bit. You know what happen? Make you come. Make I show you exactly what happen. Now, you know you be vigilator now. The waka pass. You go when I tell you say go, you go to waka pass. When I say turn, you can't turn. Because what happens is the what happens is as you don't copy, I don't copy finish. I can't carry them. Make I throw away. You waka pass and vigilator where they invigilate. Now no waka they go straight.
Okay.
You can't start from here. You don't know. Start from here. Small. Turn. As I they throw the paper like this, now so the guy they follow the paper. Now so the guy go pick the paper, say you are gone today. You are gone today. Now so the mistake when the guy come and go front from Anoda University. You are gone. We are going to expel you today. My brother, I did 300 level that time. Wait, I want to have a mama. I'm back. Not being my guy waiting near me in the do calculation. I mean, I do theory. I don't come in, come good. The guy can go front. I come meet and say, excuse me, it's not mine. Like it's not like totally, it's not mine. I saw it on the floor. I know what make implication me. Now make me carry am, make I throw away am. Not be saying I make get am. He said, so this is not your writing. I say, oh, cannot be my own. He said, okay, go and bring your answer sheet, my brother. As I they go, the thing come be like. Man, the children of Israel, they were carrying for 40 years. I come and say, hey, what I good do, what I good do, what I good do. At just reach table, pra. Instead of to carry my own answer sheet, I just carry my friend answer sheet, pra. Can you go give them? I say, sir, look at it, it's calculation. It's calculation, they can look at. God have saved you now. Come on, get out. After exam, my friend come and say, you crazy. What if the guy can't come? Anyway, now onto that man where the baby pastor when he say they say pen. Now GODSON, welcome to the show. I beg,
So my people.
What is your original name?
My original name, when my mama and papa give me. Now Benedito.
Benedict. They say they give you the name.
Benedito.
Benedict.
Waiting
Now,
to your name.
Benedict, waiting. Ogu. He can talk true. What be your own name when they give you? Kelechi. Is a lie. So you be Igbo? Hey! Where you come from?
Imo State.
Where from Imo State?
Ngokwala.
Hey! I say Ngokwala girls then they.
I don't know anything.
My brother, here's some girls Where you come from?
Delta State.
Delta State. Where for Delta?
Urobo. Yeah.
Now, GODSON get one story. When he be say, sweet me. I could like make una hear him. GODSON, you there one record label. What's the name of a record label?
Yeah, this record.
This record.
Yeah.
Now, Ikele, this story will shock you. Tell me, when they sign you enter the record?
August 1st.
August 1st of this year. Now, for people when they be say don't know this information, I'm opportunate to have this information. I don't know. Now, how give story. As you they come and say GODSON must give this testimony. How they take sign you, where you go, and who be the person will sign you?
The story, people they won't believe because even some of my friends they can't won't beef me say like say you don't plan this thing since you not tell us. Now my friend, one of my friends, childhood friend, they do birthday party. I think they do birthday party, and I can come and say make her come. Say make her come sing for a birthday party. And he no get money to pay me. I mean, I can't look and say, as my childhood friend, waiting, where we go? I'm not gonna lie for you, bros. That day, nothing in the pocket. Oh. Nothing. My childhood friend, I don't give my excuse. As I won't go sleep around 11, I saw just say, man, ask that guy. So they go, I think one day, I just say, I think get 100 bucks there. Can't give me. But now 200 go carry me reach the guy.
But you can't ask for 100 naira.
First.
Why you not ask for 200 now?
Because of I know say you get as a bit for that guy self.
Okay.
So as I don't get the one way blind, no say if you dey go Oshodi, now make you first reach Sele.
If you track the rest.
Now so as I come out from my lesson now I see one bike. How much 200 and I get 100. I don't say, this guy where I go play for trying to bring 100 and I come with your bike. And so when I can go. As I reach in Agba, now 5 artists, nobody more and sing. I mean, say has got the pick person. We be 5 way perform. The guy, as I just they perform my own 9, the guy just jump, come, begin to spray me money, say one pariwo. At that time, I don't know how tomorrow I will take.
You never know how you go take chop.
Before I begin to see one kid, now I begin to collect my team.
You ain't good.
Oh, I pick all my team for down. After the training, the guy just tell me, say, man, this thing must come outside. He never had, sorry, I didn't speak English here. He don't even get plan self to do record label. Now, because of me, he start record label. They register complaint, find name, bring in lawyer, everything. They have to buy a car. In short, after the whole thing, he can't see the first 1 week. I will wake up like this. I will come wake up again. This is not true. This is not true. So I saw the miracle just be. Before you know, we don't shoot video. We call this guy with the manager Femi before. Femi Danku. we discuss with him. He take up my managerial aspect. Everything just dey move at the speed of light. And people don't know that since when Tupac die, now start music 95, when Tupac die, 20 years I wait.
See, GODSON not talk the story well. Now tell how the story take talk. Go. He go that guy party go perform for free.
Yes.
As he go there, they perform, pariwo. Now, as he take talk, 5 other artists now they there. To tell how God think they do your own thing. When your time reach, your time don't reach. So no, you're rush for this life. This guy where Siam, just the man begin spray am. And to shock you, na gospel song.
Yes,
na gospel song.
For nightclub.
This guy where Congo meet am, na Muslim guy yo.
Na Muslim.
Na Muslim guy yo.
Confirm Muslim.
Confirm Muslim. Now he go meet and say, man, Omo, call lawyer. We are going to set up a record label. We are going to sign this guy.
Give me an apartment.
Give him house. Then give car. Give him money. And him na Muslim. Meanwhile, this guy na gospel artist. So, you get how you use when I tell you the story, you self go begin the
He tell you believe.
You self go begin to say how. Meanwhile, the guy they promotion the guy anyhow. When they do their thing for their house, they leave am on my artist or not touch am. The guy go they do your own thing in a gospel artist. Meanwhile, the person they get a record label, where open record label because of him. Now Muslim the guy be. So now it even don't go in the long way to show you say this religion thing, the Christian Muslim. Now our mindset. Now we can't put for head.
Now we put block.
Now we put block for head. Anyway, congratulations to you, GODSON, for that one. Now make I ask you how you said I went to Tupac die.
Yes, so
now Tupac now be your inspiration.
I just know that time California love just come everywhere.
California, oh God!
Before we know,
I sabi rap that time, man. Cali, in the waka in the wild west. Oh God, continue.
So as Tupac, California love was every day everywhere. Before we know, the guy don't die. Tupac don't die. So I can't just say one big day between him and one big. I mean, I can't take side. I don't even know either big. Na Pac I support now. I don't even know say that big in a robo person. I don't want to get. I don't know that my brother. I just dey Pac side. So now 98 we form one group Coded Africans. 2004 I go church for House on the Rock. Before you know I born again that day. So before you know I can't do my own gospel rap. 2000 we just a record song. They believe say one day go blow. I don't try to shoot video 7 times. Watch, it's spoiled. 7 good times before finally this guy came to. In short, I don't pack boot anger and say Father Lord. Now he dey even make person blow. I beg if you don't put my name for the people who go blow, no problem. Because I did into fashion, they concentrate on my fashion business. They go. Before I know, I saw something just happen. Pa. Even the guys have now like 1 million in budget. Before we know, we don't spend 3. They look back. I say waiting they happen.
They spend the money.
I say waiting they happen.
Me say was a bit single. That guy me say man. Anyway, we will watch one performance video of GODSON. When we come back, then we go start discussion with Ikele. Plenty. Ikele, somebody to make I ask you on top Twitter. He say where that question do? Hey, it don't go far.
It don't stream down.
Hey, I go need go down. Wait. I must ask you that question before we come out. Wait. Oh Jesus, where that question do? Anyway, we'll come back. I go ask. The person they ask say whether you grew up for Jos.
I grew up for Jos.
You grew up for Jos?
Yes.
Where for Jos you grew up?
Ibrahim Taiwo.
When I hear that, I ain't grow for Ibrahim Taiwo. Anyway, more watch the video of GODSON. When we come back, we'll continue it. Still on top of the night show. I get GODSON.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.